man, let it go.
Terryganzie, go on, man. Forward.
I'm gonna come to dictate the pace. I will make some guy
I am in Miami.
Hear me now, feel like the bad chase. I am the man, I am the live, I am the man, I am the live. Now boy can't run the way. This. I want to know it's a cat. Some boy rap a lot and chat like a bus a Glock. Hear me now. That one your name. Mouth bad man them, phone bad man them, clothes bad man them, white from bad man them, bad monks and friend them, bad in a gang them. Yeah, the shaggy beat up here them boy there. Mouth bad man them, phone bad man them, clothes bad man them, NSC bad man them, bad monks and friend them, bad in a gang them. Yeah, the here them boy there. Yes, they don't blaze it, some just come in. Matching up the thing like some old crap fiend telling me chat put more before them even be skin before send it and waste and even mini 14 before and me one pump and AR-15 before buckle boom and cut off more 16 to not fight them miss a cat with them Glock 19 tonight them a general make the scene wait general be talking ever seen real fucking papa and boy the double tell them what them dead wicked on the crash of Kendall. Hold them up and scat them up like an Indian. People say me wicked at Hitler from German. West was won by gun bayonets and bullets and bombs. Guinea pepper in a session. Big up the one liquid John. General D is orchestra. Hold up, Sonny B.
And then last sign this video.
Hold up. From the Somali get the artists of the 19th century. Billions of dollars are spent to erase the great history of reggae music. You know what I say? Jamaica try erase itself from consciousness. Big up Major Mackerel. You don't know, you know. Let it go. Listen to one now. Big up Bob Marley. Jacob Miller. Peter Tosh. And the way to contribute towards the growing of reggae music. Sasha, big up yourself. Yep. All the good you done sometime is not enough. Still have some people not satisfied. Give them your heart, they have no conscience. If love your shows, them makes no sense. Some will pretend as if they are with you. When push come to shove, that's not true. Experience our shiny be too wise. He can see behind the devil eyes. Jah will be there when they all turn their back against me. Sure.
Rastafari.
I want to put things to talk, but maybe another right place. Let's take a shot of it.
Alright, that for today. Even that come and say your thing. Give thanks.